I think that someone has cast a level 10 Endless Winter spell.
What are you suggesting, Elf?
Stan has been acting strange ever since he thought his version of the rules were best. I was gearing up my army to get to him and force him to talk to me to see what he was up to. But then the new kid came and got in the way.
Wow, nice going, new kid.
This storm isn't going to end, and our town is in serious trouble.
Stay back! We're out of stuff!
Then we have no choice. New kid, we must get to the Marshwalker stand. Hey, new kids! I'm gonna be king. You chose the wrong side. Ha! The new kids are dead! No! Finish the quest! Get powered up! And stop embarrassing me! Beep! I cast a spell, your health is back to 100. Get the fuck up. God, I have to do everything around here.